Good afternoon, welcome to We Repair. So this afternoon I am having a go at repairing, I'm not sure what this is. It is a portable DVD player. The model is a PD01. It's made by a company called CUTRIP. I don't know if you can see that just there. So I already know what the problem with this is. You won't be able to make it out on here, but this has got a smash screen in it. So I've never repaired anything like this before. I have done a bit of Googling in advance and I have already ordered and has arrived a new screen for it. So by the looks of it, from a quick glance before the start of the video, there are 6 screws in the front. Now, my guess is that it's going to be very much like a laptop inside. So I'll just get all these little doobies out and we're going to go from there. So it is Phillips screws, so standard crossheads. The bottom ones are longer than the top by the looks of it. It's probably because it's supporting the weight of the screen, I would imagine. This is already feeling quite loose, so I'd probably say if you're going to do this, support it. Okay, and I would imagine, yeah, it just comes away really easy. I don't want to pull it too much in case there's a ribbon behind there. Oh, there we go. Brute force is the key. Right, so I was right. This is a laptop panel, which I have got, so that's good. So let's just untape this and just see if the connector is what I think it is. It's probably just a short laptop connector. Wow, that's well taped in there. I guess they were sort of expecting it to have quite a lot of bumps and stuff whilst it was out about. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was going to be. So there you go. There's no battery in this to remove, so I'm just going to work straight on it. Now that does come away, which is nice. We're talking literally, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws around the outside, and it looks like some glue as well. So I'll speed this up just so you guys don't have to watch it all. Right, so that's all our screws I've done. So what I have actually done is I've just twisted these around a little bit where I can, so I've not actually removed them. I'm hoping this is just going to lift out at this point. So they have glued it as well, which is really annoying. So there we are, that's our panel out. You can faintly just make out, I'm not sure if you will be able to, there's a crack there, there's a crack along here, so that's definitely dead. What I will need to do is take some of the little pads off the back of the old screen, so we'll do that in just a sec. I don't really see the need to glue this in place because there's brackets top and bottom, and there's clippy bits on the side holding it. Let's just take this off. I'll do it afterwards. Try not to get too many fingerprints on it. Go. It's in the right place now, being held nicely. So what we'll do is we'll just grab those little pad things, a few little pad things all over the back of this, hoping they'll just lift up. They're not going to stick back down, I don't think, but as long as they're there, then I can screw down and put the little bracket onto them. So at least that's something. Top and the bottom. Oops. There are actual pads on here as well. Probably just to keep that down in place. Let's see if I can remove them carefully. Well, that's actually what they haven't done. They're double-sided pads and they've only taken one side of the tape off, so I'll stick them back down using the other side. Excellent. I think that's a win. Corner of that. About there. The last one. About there. Right, so we don't need that old screen anymore. Right, so what we'll do is we'll just get these fixed up. Should be straightforward enough. I think I'm going to have to lift them all the way out and then I can screw them back in again to get them in the right place. Hopefully you can sort of see some of what I'm doing. So what I'll do, unscrew this all the way, get the little foam pad in the right place, and then screw it back down. There we are. Now this other one on this side came off altogether and didn't bother putting it back on, so I'll just do that. Get the screw in. My screwdriver is magnetic, so it holds it all quite nicely. And there we are. And the last one, unscrew it back into place. Down. Right, so that is now all in place there. Let's just do this bottom piece as well, which screws in and is obviously, it's now got some little adhesive sticky things underneath it, so they're sort of holding it already. Oops. And then we'll reconnect the cable up afterwards. And the last one. Cool, right. Let's plug this back in. And what we'll do is we'll use its own tape as it was before, and we'll just tape that down. So that's that. That's everything back into place. So I'm hoping now this will just clip back in more or less. What we'll do is we'll get a couple of screws in there just to hold it. We'll do the big ones at the bottom first, because they're supporting a lot of the load. So I'm conscious that they probably need to go back in fairly early. There's those two. And we'll do the ones at the top. And that one. Everything's clicking in as we go. And that one, and last but not least. Right. So there we are, that's our screen fitted. Now with the little rubber pads, the two at the bottom are slightly bigger by the looks of it. So they need to go back in down the bottom, which makes sense because the screws are bigger as well. So 3. And last but not least, number 4. There we go. So that is that all repaired. Now let me see if I've got the charger, and we'll get this powered on and give it a test. I'll come back to you in just a sec. Right, so hopefully you can now see that. That is our screen back on and running. So that's all tested and working absolutely fine. And it all, let's just open that one. No music detected. So there you go. That's really, really good. So that has worked absolutely perfect. New screen's in, it's all working absolutely fine. So just turn that off. So there you go. And we'll turn it back on one more time so you can see. And hopefully in a second it should just fire up. And there you go. So that is that. I've never repaired one of those before, so I'm really pleased with that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, drop us a like, leave us a comment. Ask any questions you want to ask. I'll do my best to answer them. I don't ever confess to knowing everything about everything, but this has been a good little replacement job. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, you've learned something, and if it has helped you, again, leave me a comment. It'd be lovely to get some good feedback. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.